everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Valon Mortgage account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Valon Mortgage account, go ahead and open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.valon.com and press enter. Once you end up in the official website, you can go ahead and click on the login button at the top right hand corner. And once you end up in the login screen, enter your email address followed by your password. Make sure to enter the same email address that you created while signing up for the account, and once you are done, head over to the password field and type in the correct password for your account. If you don't remember your password during logging in, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions till the end in order to reset to a new password. After filling in your email and password, click the login button to get access to your Valon Mortgage account. Valon is a residential mortgage service and lender. It is a cloud-based mortgage servicing platform. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.